The wires that previously powered the induction motor will now power the turn-tied motor controller. The two-step process is straightforward. First, connect the wires to the motor controller power terminals to the L1, L2, and L3 of the turn-tied motor controller. These terminals are identified as U, V, and W on the P04 and P05 motor controllers. The controllers are not phase sensitive. Because the motor controller requires uninterrupted power, the second step is to move the wires that went to the old motor from the load side to the line side at the blower contactor.